Local news for Wednesday the 20th of February. A busy day yesterday for firefighters with several call-outs around the region, including a vegetation fire in rural Carterton and a structure fire in Greytown that caused extensive damage to the old Turkey Red. Tinder dry conditions continue around the region with a total fire ban in place since last Thursday. Wairarapa Police are pleased with the results of a recent controlled purchase operation. All the premises visited by an 18-year-old volunteer correctly identified the age of the minor and politely declined the sale. Sergeant Kevin Basher from Wairarapa Police Alcohol Harm Prevention says no premises made sales, which is a great result. In fact, the volunteer commented that in some cases they didn't even make it to the front counter. And Transit Group will transport almost 5,000 Wairarapa school children to and from Wings Over Wairarapa's Special Education Day this Friday. Transit Director of Sales and Marketing, Jenna Snellgrove, says her team has been busy preparing for the day, which will see around 60 buses and drivers ferrying around primary and secondary school children, teachers and parents and the like to Masterton's Hood Aerodrome. For local news, I'm Brent Gear.